Tate ni oh hi independent mang dia achieve ho na hi alu khu hanong ga avia ben lang aish one day matram na kiniin nakipan ko tawin sa pang ho kang la jing tawia ben la hi sira to hong kibu kam bata beta
नमस्ते, कैसा
नमस्ते
है?
सर
हैं? बढ़िया।
Now I request all the students to give them a big round of applause so they write for us for the time presentation. Now I request all the students, parents and guardians to please take your respected seat. Thank you.
Honorable Chief Guest Adipati GOC sir with us today, and we're deeply grateful that he accepted our humble invitation. We're glad that we also got to know that his kindness has been rewarded with a promotion, but the sad part is that he would be leaving us very soon. But then I think the legacy will go.
I request all the teachers you please come on the stage. Well, the Chief Guest is hosting a flag. We shall be with them together. I request all the teachers you please come this side. I request all teachers also you please be here. I request everyone. Okay, I request all the students to stand once more and give them a big round of applause.
Firstly, good morning to all of you. I can't hear you. Good morning to all of you.
good morning sir
Yeah, now I can hear. That's a good thing. Okay. Firstly, I would like to congratulate each one of you for the Patriotic Day, which was on 13th, and today being 15th, the 79th Independence Day of the country. And I feel personally privileged to have come to this institution and where I've been called upon to speak to you regarding the sacrifices and the things which our forefathers had done so that today we are able to enjoy this entire independence, which is generally still not across the world. It is still not there with many countries which are there. So we are quite lucky to have such kind of environment where we can live, where we can think, where we can do what we want to, and where the democracy is the one which is generally taking the shape, and we are progressing further and further into our dreams. The country has made its own mark, I would say, in the years which have gone by, and it is still growing. There are so many firsts which, if you go back today and read the history, you'll be able to know as to how much difference has been made between last 15, 20 years, what we were and where we are now. And the entire, I would say, credit goes to each one of you, the countrymen, the children, the parents, the teachers, I would say, all classes which are there in the country. They all need to be proud of that we have been able to make a mark for ourselves. As far as the Manipur is concerned, I would say that since 2019, it has been a rough patch where we initially were held up with the COVID, and then thereafter again we held with some kind of a community clash which was there. But let me tell you that the amount of efforts which have been put in by each one of you to bring back the normalcy, bring back the peace, the Indian Army stands here with all security forces which are there on ground, the civil administration, the I would say the CSOs, the organizations which are working in and out to ensure that this situation continues so that the education of our children are not affected. The most important issue is that the education should never stop, because this is one thing which we should try and think, and it can only take place in a very, very conducive and a very, very congenial environment which is there. So my request to you all would be that you should try and ensure that the children which are there are coming, the teacher should ensure that they learn and they progress in their life. That is most important part of what we are here for. One small little thing to the senior students, which I would like to request you all, that from tomorrow morning onwards, you should do one thing yourself, and that one thing which you should do in your house is make your own bed. So if you are able to do that, let your mama or your sister or your brother or your father, nobody else should be helping you out. You should try and make your own bed, because that is the first thing in the day which you will feel that yes, I've accomplished a work and I've accomplished a task which was given to me. You will feel self-confident. You will feel, even if the day is not good, even if you have rough patches, you will try and think, yes, there is at least one work which I could do absolutely correctly, which was given to me, and that will give you that kind of a motivation which is there. The senior students, I would say that you have passion for whatever you want to do in life, and you should try and aim for it. But you are a very, very lucky man or a girl or a woman which aligns her passion with profession. So if your passion is what is your profession going to be, I think so you are the luckiest man on this earth. But if you do not have, don't get disheartened. Let the passion continue to some stage and then put slightly halt to that passion which is there. Work for your profession, because that profession is the one which will then thereafter lift up the passion which you have. And as you grow, I'm sure the parents and everyone will be able to vouch for it, that you grow in your own profession, you have a lot of, do not confuse it or do not take it that if you are having information, you are knowledgeable. No, you are only having information, but you are not knowledgeable. Knowledgeable will only be when you score very high marks in your school, when you will score very good marks in your 12th, 10th class, when you will be applying for some kind of a competitive exam and then clearing it. So knowledge will.
Thank you, sir, so much for your inspirations, for your motivations that really motivate us. I hope all the
Being here today is a proof enough of your love, support, and encouragement. So thank you very much, sir, and a warm welcome to you once again. And then to their parents who have been supporting the school throughout. It is your love, it is your unwavering support, which is the foundation of our institution's strength. And to all my lovely students, today as we commemorate the sacrifices of a freedom fighter, let's honor the legacy by working towards our nation's progress. So let's come together in unity and pride, echoing the sentiment of our great nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
वक्त आ गया है खून का बदला खून से लेने का मगर इंडियन आर्मी ने जंग छोड़ने की दीवार वी विल ब्लडी हेल फिनिश इट और तो जोश जय हिंद
Class 4 student, I request class 4 student to get ready with your special number. After class 10 ends, finish, get ready, class 4 student, with your title of a song. I request class 4 teachers to please get ready with your song.
क्या बदले के लिए आपका खून खोल रहे हैं
प्रभात और नमस्ते सभी को।
मस्ती
पेश हुई थी एमटीपीएन कक्षा 4 से। आज हम एक देशभक्ति कविता स्वतंत्रता का अमूल्य उपहार जा रहे हैं। ये कविता हमारे वीर स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों को समर्पित है। धन्यवाद। 1 2 3।
उनसे लिखा गया हमारा इतिहास, सिरमौरों ने दिया अपना सब कुछ दिया, जंजीरों को तोड़कर मिली आजादी। उनके बलिदान को हम ना भूल पाए कभी। तिरंगा हमारा सर का प्रतीक है, जिसमें बसी है महाभारत की जान, आंखों में आंसू दिल में समान। उन शहीदों को हमारा सलाम, चलो मिलकर करें हम ये वादा, जिसकी सेवा में लगाए सारा जीवन सारा। भारत माता की जय।
तो जान से प्यारा है, ये सबको निहारा है, तो कर रहा है।
come up on the stage and give their performance. And class 5, get ready with your song. बुलाना चाहती हूँ उनकी प्रतिक्रिया के लिए।
जय हिंद दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका हमारे।
Thank you, LKG.
So thank you very much, sir. And there is nothing we could do for you in return. As you know, our school, the setup, it's born out of conflict. And to be honest, we are not that settled or, a settled school. So there is nothing we could give you, sir. But then we wanted you to remember the school. So wherever you go, we wanted you to keep something that will remind you of the school. So we've arranged a memento for you, which I will read it out to you. And also, we will be presenting you a Vaipai traditional song. Vaipai is one of the Kuki tribe, and I am actually Vaipai. So, due to which we would want to present you the Vaipai traditional shawl. And on top of that, we would also like to give you Saipihu Tai. Saipihu is a Kuki traditional tribe. And then we made a tie out of that, which we give it to people we honored, we respect. So these are few things that we would want to hand it over to you to show our love and for you to always remember us. So let me read out. Sir, could you kindly please be here on stage? Let me read it out for everyone. presented to Deputy GOC Brigadier Kulvil Singh, 57 Mountain Division, Lake Mekong, in heartfelt appreciation for gracing the 79 Independence Day celebration of LNH Bethel School, Lake Mekong. Your presence has been a beacon of hope and inspiration to our students, particularly in a unique context of being out of conflict and serving the underprivileged. Your instrumental support has enabled us to function smoothly, and your kindness has made a profound difference in our lives. We honor your selfless dedication for helping those in need, and your embodiment of compassion and kindness. Your heart of gold and generosity have touched countless lives, and we are forever grateful. Thank you for being a shining example of leadership and humanity. Love, LNH Bethel School, Lake Mekong.
Thank you very much for honoring me, and my heartfelt thanks to each one of you here who has spared your valuable time in coming here. And it's really, this memento will have a special place in my heart. Wherever I go, it will be displayed, it will be spoken of, it will be remembered. So you will always be in my heart and head wherever I will be. Thank you very much.
I request all the teachers to kindly come forward. Sir Sang, please come forward. Wait, do not touch the cake, okay? Do not touch, wait.
Very good, very nice. Everybody will eat, okay?
Dance, get ready.
Class 6 students, get ready with your group song सारे जहाँ से अच्छा. Class 6 students.
दोस्ता हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा दोस्ता हमारा हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी ये गुलसिता हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा दोस्ता हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा पर्वत वो सबसे दुनिया में सबसे न्यारा है सबकी आंखों का तारा है इसकी मिट्टी की खुशबू लगे जाने प्यारी है ये इसके हम माता भूमि ये प्यारी धरती हमारी है अलग अलग धर्मों में भी तो यहाँ एकता समाई है
हम कक्षा 2 के छात्रा आप सबके सामने हिंदी कविता लेकर प्रस्तुत है. 1, 2, 3.
बचाने का नया रंग तेरा को परछाया है 15 अगस्त का दिन आया लाल किले पर तिरंगा लहराया चलो मिलकर जश्न मनाए देशभक्ति गीत गाए नया हम आज 3 की छात्रा आज आपके सामने हिंदी कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। कविता का शीर्षक है नवभारत। 1 2 3।
को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। हम कक्षा 8 के छात्रा एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं जिसका शीर्षक है सूर्य की गाथा। अब हम शुरू करते हैं।
Okay, thank you class 8 for your wonderful poetry. Now I would like to give
हम कक्षा 9वीं और 10वीं के विद्यार्थी हम प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं कविता। कविता का स्तुति है कर चले हम फिदा। इस कविता के लेखक थे कैफी आसमी।
चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। सांस समझी गई, आँख समझी गई, फिर भी बढ़ते कदम को ना रुकने दिया। कर गई सर हमारे तो कुछ दम नहीं, सर हिमालय का हमने ना झुकने दिया। मरते मरते रहा बमपन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। जिंदा रहने के मौसम बहुत है, मगर जानते थे कि वो तो साथी नहीं। हंसना और इश्क दोनों को रुस्वा करे, वो जवानी जो खून में नहाती नहीं। आज धरती बनी है बुलंद साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। राह कुर्बानियों की ना वीरान हो, तुम सजाते भी रहना नए काफले। फतेह जश्ना इस जश्ना के बाद है, जिंदगी मौत से मिल रही है गले। जान दो अपने सर से कफन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। दिन जो अपने खून से जमीन पर रखे, इस तरफ आना पाए ना रावण कोई। छोड़ो हाथ अगर हाथ उठने लगे, सुना पाए ना सीता का दामन कोई। राम ही तुम ही लक्ष्मण साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों।
Okay, now get ready for dance.
आज हम कक्षा 6 के विद्यार्थी यहाँ एक कविता प्रस्तुत करेंगे। हमारे कविता का नाम है जब भारत आजाद हुआ था। कविता शुरू होगी 3 की गिनती में। 1 2 3।
भारत आजाद हुआ था, आजादी का राज हुआ था, वीरों ने कुर्बानी दी थी, तब भारत आजाद हुआ था। भगत सिंह ने फांसी ली थी, इंदिरा का जनाजा उठा था। इस नेता के खुशबू ऐसे थे, तब उनकी अति बेटी थी। जज्बा ऐसा था, वो सबसे लड़ता जा रहा था, लड़ते लड़ते जाने गई थी। अब भारत आजाद हुआ था, फिरंगियों ने ये वतन छोड़ा था, इस देश के रिश्तों को तोड़ा था। फिर भारत दो भागों में बांटा था, एक हिस्सा हिंदुस्तान था, दूसरा पाकिस्तान कहलाया था। सरहद नाम की रेखा किसी थी, जिसे कोई पार न कर पाया था। ना जाने कितने मारे हुए थे, ना जाने कितने बच्चे भूखे सोए थे। हम सबके साथ रहकर
एक साथ समय बिताता था बेरों ने कुर्बानी दी थी तब हमारा आजाद हुआ था जय हिंद
तो प्यारे दोस्तों और गुरुओं, आज हम कक्षा 5 से एक कविता पेश करने वाले। इस कविता का शीर्षक मेरे वतन है।
Get ready for the song. They are going to present the song.
Masaperin tabang pat pai biwa tin thang ban man lang amin program ho jong pate kai chan chai do tawin kalung jang ha chun baro pong khat vel chun go zuin lung kham chanom the jengin hi bangin pathini taw na sangin program sungin nisa pate kai chan asain pathin phat na hoi movin pathina ben thang ba he patu kan sei de hi tam so parents ho ko mahi ya choi pa kan hin. But first of all, I would like to say thank you to all the students for your hard work. We could see your hard work today, and I think all the parents might have been satisfied with your performance. And please keep up the good works even in the future, okay? You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, that's great. And also, I would like to say my heartfelt thanks to all the teachers. You paid really hard work for teaching all these dear students. It's not something easy to teach them, all kinds of dance. Tapang niap sa holam hildi kiti chu til nom lo be hi. For example, prep ho bang chu. Hatta ke cha hap ta khat tabang suti kai lo wa ka hong ki hil bang wa chu chan ke chu. Ne lai mo hi parents in he team de hin. Ozen no jong kapa cha he jing e chu ka sei do no me hin. Ama kêu hi pon ở dưới đằng dâu xây dựng am cả lòng hoa bảo cái xây là ball phụ lệ về cho cả xây nôm he dòng là parents soyong ni đăng sang al phô min cái muốn parents so chi đi ham tu ni chưa biar anh nông lẩu đan he tắm rồi nu tiền anh cái muốn bản tình là bang chỉ sang at ni thấy có tắm pi sabi hon dòng dân ni lang anh phụ he lang à càng lang lung à tung dân ni lang cái về là ni đi hin là thom thế riêng vậy thì ai bị chơi ông lẽ nó không xin anh nôm cho mình chỉ dòng lẽ bản tiếng lệ thân nôm ta bản program này cái tiếng lệ thân nôm ta không bằng cái tiếng in và cái mình avail cái part thu xây tổ gom mà tiếp na nu là part họ có mà cái hình này cái này chỉ dòng lệ tu chung đi YouTuber parents ni YouTuber in evin part evin hin tu là part gen moi mà ni tu ni ha hi cái quỳ hơn hi phát cái cha anh dâu tiếng lệ nên hạ lăng tiếng lệ amanin I have upload handing to the group and share handing subscribe below like hanjong please do subscribe and views and check your hello please comment and trong số bạn like hi comment rằng nan video like hi parents and chisu ka sei do no ma hintin ki pa chui sevin amani zo hung ma chal han lang thini na satan hin mang chan han ti chui ga sei do no ma hin an zo thing le i khan tiang le langa khu ne thi le cha ki hom nga hin parents so koi ma ne lo lova bon ke vai ne so ke do he ti chu avela ki pa tu sei nau ba na het sa na ti dam chu kai ne hin chu zong le a chaina penin dia hi zong le dia tunia semiana ki mang hin zong la dang dang karnet ho hin chair ho akivai hi zong le jan ha pana chu ka ga pol tu ma hitan amana nei kha dia ko voice video jan mo nan tin ki pa tu kan sayin ama zong pathinin phat thei bo hen lang zakaya achil ho zong pathinin zakaya phat thei bo jingan ki cho chaina pena kan sei hin pathinin bon chawin phat thei bo tam ki pa e
Ipa thu sei na chu ken yong chak sam khat hin lang atin tu kum hi ke ke phat lamin ka loi phat parents meeting na ko lam na ko ngam lo ya si ka hei tu kum na pon atin tu kum hi kum ke khat tawang hi skula ka lo hi je in ke yong ka phat lamin parents meeting hi long due a hi in kan ko wa ding a hitan aki bol lo thil tam ta zonga umin chi chu aban bana in bol di wa hi in parents hom nei na het him diwin avelin ka hin team no min tua pat wang hi pathinin dam nai pi le khai ma po lo ding ka hi in skula jing ding ka hi tai ti chu yang chu phon ko na kan ne hi in parents sam ta in aboy tai skula boy pi zo to boy skula boy pi boy tin thu chang tam ta zong ka za in ki phat lamin tua pat hi khoi ma po lo wa school chu phata ki boy pi di het ti chu avela ka hin het sa no ma hi e ban ting le Tipati GOC pahin school ki thopi na ahapi in tua zong hi ama hi munchuma GOC kaya hita in promotion amu hitan parents till now request ball uma lesing le kaga ki movie dinga hinan het sa tayo hina ji chu personal chum manan sei ting le ke yong ka boy to kana hygiene na chu kan het sa hin aban ting le parents lo mang chu request la zong ki entertain be lo hi ji chu mi ko ma til request ball zong hi a hain na ji chu het dinga khade kaga sei no ma hi in ka ki pa e parent tho ka sir lal boy ki pa thu sei hi le zong ke yong ka ki pa in tu ni zo si ka mu le ka confidence level amin kalung amongin mabana zong nei support to zel di wena velin kahin kitimit banting le tu chana ki bollo til skula activities ki bollo zong na lain jo zong jo aban bana kahin bol di head ti chu phondo na kahin ne he tua hi tauna chai clothing prayer dingin pa he pa pastor salem pastor ikowe Aula China dinga himi pi pong ano ba ding dingin kahin teme
okay aki pag be pakai ate ei sit yung kalian nawa ta sa jang to lo ko tam tak nei jibin jo sia jo ki mong te ki tinga nang mandam na nei pi kwa uni program te ho apna ki pat kataw na mo ta nei san pi pa kai no sing ta tai tiam thei jalin jong nang kat tham bat di program ang kita yung pakai mabanahin kukan man na diw ko person na diw ko kanong gel na dim te ho daw te wa nang mailam kay tulay mo kuy tuwin hong pangkitan tiya program te ho lohin tumanay kan sa na ba ipatu siya itong ado tamba pumahat ng pakai apa ni ang akong
Amen.